Otu jet botifulei. Tri concealer, eyeliner, eyeshadow, en mascara. Jet 7 to 8 tours of slope. Drink en water en yat food. Don't smoke en cude non alcohol en caféine. Take break from compute screen. Tri eukerea mende urei. Tri natural remedy, like cucumbesli sauve urei. Adigne makeup to urei. Dab concealer dernier at urei. Concealer à base fondation taquant of set te color of a dark circle and urei. Osa color of concealer ta opposite tone of color from the tone ta are in your dark circle. For example, if your dark circle have yellow tone, use a concealer with a purple tone. T will help neutralize the dark color and urei. Alternately, you can use a concealer ta ion skin tone let on your own skin tone. Gently dab the concealer and urei on tap it with your finger, blending it across the skin and urei to make sure it is non noticeable. If you are able to be concealer you can make your own by mixing equal part of lotion en apodeta with your skin color then apply it. Apply eyeliner properly. Using a dark eyeliner, draw a line above halfway or twice across both the bottom and top of the right along the lash line. Drawing alt way across your eye to in a corner will make your eye look small. Eyeliner taille applié above halfway across will help make the look elongated. Draw back and forth across the lash line with your eyeliner pencil a fatim. 2. Try a light colored eyeliner. Be using a light eyeliner or even with eyeliner, your eye will attract and reflect light, which will help make it seem like your eye are large. Lint bottom lash line with a white or silver eyeliner. Your eye will reflect more light, and your eye will give the illusion of a bright and wide. 3. You can also use a white eyeliner pencil to lint in a corner of your eye on the top and bottom lid. T will help make your eye look furté à part. 4. Use eyeshadow to make your eye look bigger. You can accomplish this by using a 3D for shadow of eyeshadow, light, medium and dark. Use the light colored shadow on the lid and brown, and apply medium colored shadow in the crease of your eye. Use a dark shadow or eyeliner along your lash line. Then add a shimmery colored shadow in the corner of your eye, which will attract and reflect light. 5. If you wear glass, think about your glass look with your eye makeup. A general rule of thumb be to wear bolder, bright eye color with lightweight, transparent frame. If you wear heavy frame, think about toning down your eye makeup. 6. Shape your eyebrow. Your eyebrow are frame for your eye, answer shape can make your eye apart to be certain shape avel. Pluck, try de wax your eyebrow to give them shape. 7. Remove stray regularly, bub careful not to overpluck your brow. Or, you can use an eyebrow pencil to fill in your eyebrow, especially if they are thin, light, or irregularly shaped. 8. Use an eyebrow gel in your natural color to sell your eyebrow sauté dans smudge. Use an eyelash curlé. An eyelash curlé, oui chérie adil available à drugstore en grocery store for about $5 to $6. Will clan your eyelash en bantam vary in a curl. Curling your lash var will make your eye apart to be bigger more open. Take an also draw attention to your eye by making your eyelash apart longer. 9. 10. Thicken your lash with mascara. Use a thick mascara taco at your lash to ugly. There are many different of mascara, from thickening to lengthening to waterproof. Try out a few different tools to look with your eye. Get close to the root of your lash, applying mascara at the lash line. Try a fan brush. 11. Or a brush tie curved, which will apply mascara close to the root on all of your lash. Or, try holding a business card above your lash as you apply and brush the mascara into your lash against the card. 12. Wear fake eyelash. If your eyelash are short or you would like an especially dramatic look, at a fake eyelash. Also known as falsie, these are available in various color and texture, and can transform your eye into something spectacular. 3D for type to ce hotel ou Quitiurei, 13. Usine Natural Item à Boti Remedy. Place cucumber slice on urei. Slice a couple of tin slice from a fresh or cold cucumber. Place te zove urei for à bout 10 minutes or until te cucumber slice jet varme. Cucumber avec water content, anti-water will transfer to your skin, helping to hydrate area around urei, 20. Place chill black or green te bag on urei. Te bag have lombinoc non a god remedy for puffy. Place tuo wet te bag in te freezer to chill them. Te dononei to froze overnight, since you want to be able to let them on urei comfortably. Green and black contain bioflavonoid, which are known to assist in the body reaction to allergy non inflammation, among hot benefit, 21. Place te bag over urei for à bout 10 minutes, or until te bag are warm. Rinse your face with cold water. You can also rinse urei in green torch chamomile à clancer. Steep at bag in boiling water in a mug. Allow te to cool la list to match your body temperature. Wash your with tut, antenne wash your face as you normally would, 22. Use cold spoon on urei. Freeze to metal spoon overnight. Place te rounded side of the spoon against urei in the morning. Te will feel very cold, so you will likely need to place them on urei for a long as you can manage and take them off to give urei a rest. Te will increase the blood flow to urei and reduce puffiness, 23. Make a mask of egg white. Bit a ferro egg white to jeter. Apply the mixture to urei a mask en leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse off your face with cold water. My mask will make the skin around urei feel tight, which may help urei look more youthful, 24. Use potato slice. Potato are astringent, which will help produce puffiness. Te also have catacolase, an enzyme ta combat dark circle be brightening to skin undet, 25, Q a couple of slice from a raw potato. Put the slice in the fridge or freezer to chill them, à bout 15-30 minutes. Place the slice on urei for à bout 10 minutes or until the slice are warm. Rinse your face with cold water en pat dry with a towel. Use cotton ball soaked in cold milk. Pour a small amount of cold whole milk into a cup. Soak 2 cotton ball into milk until they are saturated with milk. Lay back with your head resting on a towel to catch on hydri. Place the cotton ball on your closet for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash and rinse your face, en pat dry with a towel. Slice strawberry to put on urei. Strawberry are useful in reducing puffiness because of their anti-inflammatory properties, and also contain alpha-hydroxyacid, which are typically included in expensive face cream. Alpha-hydroxyacid enable the skin to slug off dead cell, making skin look young. If you start to feel pain, make sure to remove the strawberry immediately because they can have a reddening effect. 26. Cut the top of a couple of fresh strawberry, and slice up the strawberry. Place the slice over urei for about 5 minutes. Wash your face with soap and water. Use herbal remedy. Traranbe of herbazed remedita quand il produce puffiness in ayant restore clear, bright eye. Some of these remedy include rose water, mint leaf, lavande, fennel, honey cardamome, turmeric en amla. Search online for specific recipe en direction de proportion fortes mixture, 27.